SEO Ranking isn't just a robust toolkit, it's a collaborative workspace designed to streamline the workflow of SEO professionals and agencies. Whether you're onboarding new staff, assigning tasks, or ensuring effective collaboration, SEO Ranking's features are designed to enhance team productivity and cohesion. Let's explore how SEO Ranking's various team management capabilities can revolutionize the way your team operates. The foundation of effective team management in SEO Ranking lies in its multi-user access feature. This allows you to grant platform access to multiple team members, each with administrative rights. What this means is that you can involve more hands on deck without compromising on control or oversight. Custom access levels take this a step further and allow for a collaborative work environment. SEO Ranking enables you to tailor access permissions for different team members based on their unique roles and responsibilities, from view only to full access. Plus, you can set specific account usage limits. This customization ensures that each team member has the tools and data they need to be effective, while also safeguarding sensitive information. One of the most significant advantages of SEO Ranking is its wealth of training resources, both on SEO and on the platform itself. Your team members can get expert guidance to better understand and utilize the full range of available SEO tools. This, paired with the multiple in-service suggestions offered by tools like Website Audit, is particularly beneficial for new staff onboarding, as it accelerates their learning curve and integration into the team. The platform also enhances team coordination with custom notifications and email alerts, including notifications on changes made to important pages. These features keep the team informed of critical updates, changes in SEO metrics, and any alterations to key web pages. Keyword tags, content comments, and backlink notes in SEO Ranking are invaluable for keeping tabs on your team members, freelancers, and contractors. These features allow for easy tracking of changes, inputs, and suggestions across the team, which ultimately fosters a collaborative and transparent work environment. By documenting everything in one place, SEO Ranking becomes your team's central hub for all SEO activities, from planning and execution to monitoring and reporting. SEO Ranking's team management capabilities are designed to empower SEO teams and agencies with the tools they need for effective collaboration, efficient task management, and streamlined project execution. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out to us or explore our knowledge base. Embrace SEO Ranking's team management features and take your team's performance to new heights.